Hi. Today we will learn how to fix the external hard drive's slow transferring speed. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. Why is your external hard drive transferring so slow? In case you find that the external hard drive transfer rate is not as fast as before, you can follow these reasons and solutions to fix this issue. Number 1. The cable that connects your external hard drive goes wrong. Slow transferring can be caused by the cable you're using. It might be a fake cable that will not supply the right power for the external hard drive. So, you can try another cable to connect your external hard drive to your PC, and then try to copy files from your computer to see if the transfer speed is improved. Number 2. Maybe your external hard drive is too full and there is no free space. Open your File Explorer and find how much free space is available. Sometimes not enough space on your external hard drive can cause slow file transfer. Quickly delete or remove unwanted files on your external hard drive or back up your files to cloud storage. Compressing files that you won't use frequently can also help to create more space on your hard drive. You can click on this pop-up to check a video I made on how to compress your files. Number 3. Outdated drivers can affect the speed of your external hard drive. To update your driver, open your Windows search or press the Windows key plus Q. Type in Device Manager and hit the Enter key. Double-click on Disk Drives to open. Here you will find drivers of both the external and internal hard drives. Right-click on your external hard drive driver. Click on Update Driver. Here you can see two options. One, search automatically for updated driver software through the internet. So make sure you have an internet connection before you choose this option. And the second option helps you to browse through your computer to locate and install driver software manually. Number 4. Too many applications or programs are working or running on your drive in the meantime. Doing a lot of tasks at the same time on your external hard drive, such as downloading files to the hard drive, installing software from the hard drive, scanning the drive, watching a movie from the drive, and copying large files or data from the hard drive. All of this put heavy work and pressure on your external hard drive and can cause slow external storage transfer. So to end these tasks, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, highlight all the unnecessary tasks and click on the End Task button. Number 5. Your external hard drive can be infected by malware. It might happen that your external hard drive has been exposed to malware or virus, which can slow down the transfer speed of your external drive. To fix this, you need to run antivirus software to clean the slow drive. You can use Windows built-in antivirus, which is Windows Defender. Open this PC on your computer. Right-click on the external hard drive and select Scan with Windows Defender. The Defender will automatically run a scan and remove all viruses and malware found on your external hard drive. Number 6. Corrupted file system or bad sectors on your external hard drive. When the external hard drive contains a corrupted file system or bad sectors, you may not be able to access or transfer files via the drive. To solve this, press the Windows key plus the R key, type in CMD and hit the Enter key. Click Yes when you are requested to launch the command prompt as administrator. As the CMD page opens, type chkdsk, then give a space. After that, type the drive letter of your external hard drive, space again, /F, space /R, space /X, and hit Enter. Now you can see that the program is running a scan on the drive to fix a corrupted file system or bad sectors. This can take a couple of minutes to finish, so do have a patient. Number 7. There are too many fragments on your external hard drive. If you have been using your external hard drive for so long without defrag, your hard drive might have too much fragmentation, which leads to a slow transfer speed. So to defrag your hard drive, open File Explorer and then right-click the external hard drive and choose the Properties option. Navigate to the Tools tab and then hit the Optimize button. Select the drive you want to defrag, then click the Optimize button and wait for the process to complete. Number 8. Open Device Manager. Double-click on Disk Drives to expand. Right-click on your external drive driver. Select Properties. Navigate to the Policies tab, change the removal policy to Better Performance. Underneath of this option, you can see Enables Write Caching in Windows, but you must use the Safely Remove Hardware notification icon to disconnect the device safely. So using this option, you must always use the Safely Remove command before you unplug your external hard drive. And last, your external hard drive is about to die. So I recommend you buy a new external hard drive and copy all your data from the old to the new one. Note that before performing most of these tips, make sure you create an extra backup of important files from your external hard drive. to another device or cloud drive to avoid unnecessary data loss. I hope all the tips given help you get rid of this issue from your external hard drive. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe if you are new to this channel. Feel free to ask questions in the comments section. Check out other tutorials here on this channel. On that, I say,
Bye!
See you in another tutorial.